Hey there, all of you guys watching in the Collision Drumsticks fan page and community and family. My name is Benjamin Bruna. I'm from Chile and I've been playing since I was 15, so it's like 6 years now because I'm 21 now. And I play with two bands. Two. I play with Wolf, my main band, and I play with Sacrifice Zone, which is a band that I joined like 1 month ago, and we are planning some exciting things. So keep on the lookout for that. Well, where do I start? The Collision drumstick size that I play and that is my favorite for many years, and for the music I play, it's the standard 5B, which I have right here. One thing that I like about the 5Bs and on Collision drumsticks is that they are beefy. They are really beefy, but they are not like really tough to play, and it really feels good in my hands. And these things are built so strong. Like you can, I've never broke a pair of these, and I've had this stick since like 5 months ago. 5 months ago, and I really haven't break a pair of these, and that is really hard because I hit really hard. I hit the drums really hard, and I put weight on them. Like I really put a bit down on these things, and they really don't break. So that tells you a lot about the durability and about the craftsmanship. Sorry, English is not my first language, so bear with me here. One thing that I really like about Collision drumsticks in general is the community that it's built around. I really like that because you really don't have that with like a other brands of drumsticks, other more popular brand. And I really like that the community that Collision drumsticks build, and the connection and like family that we as drummers built around this brand. I really like that. And I really like the relationship that Collision Drumsticks has with its artists. Like it's really professional and caring, and like I said, almost like a family. I really like that, and that's why I joined here. Now, enough of talking. I'm gonna leave you guys with a playthrough of my Vance Wolf latest album, Mal Camino, or Bad Way. And I'm gonna play one track off of that album, and this one is called Toxica. Toxic. Bye, guys.